Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of July, 2025, our system has identified Oklo as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who heeded our analysis would have realized an impressive gain of 42.5% since we initially recommended Oklo as a buy candidate just 22 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.93% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $77.92 will indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential increase of 111.92% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 82.70% and 116.10%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 238.96%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 60.10% to 241.69% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $122.34 and $261.09. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, Strong Day for Oklo Inc. Stock price on Monday, rising 6.88% to $76.41. The Oklo Inc. stock price experienced a gain of 6.88% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. It rose from $71.49 to $76.41. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.43%, reaching a low of $71.60 and a high of $78.35. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 22.24% over the past 2 weeks. However, it's important to note that trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 16 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.24 billion. A decline in volume while prices rise can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $80.42, while the lowest price was $5.35. Currently, the price sits at 4.99% or $4.01, below the 52-week high of $80.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Oklo's stock has been experiencing significant volatility recently, reflecting both investor speculation and industry developments. As of the 1st of August, 2025, shares dropped by approximately 5.3%. This decline, however, is attributed more to market dynamics rather than any direct missteps by Oklo itself. In contrast, prior movements had seen the stock surge by over 7% due to favorable analyst opinions and developments in the small modular reactor sector. Notably, Oklo's stock value skyrocketed over 700% in recent months, despite being pre-revenue, signaling robust investor optimism. This optimism is partly driven by the explosive growth in artificial intelligence, leading to increased energy needs that nuclear power can address effectively. Furthermore, a recent partnership with Vertiv aims to deploy advanced power management solutions for data centers, enhancing Oklo's strategic positioning. Looking ahead, the upcoming financial results announcement on the 11th of August could serve as a catalyst for price movement. Positive updates may reaffirm investor confidence, potentially driving the stock higher in the medium to long term. Conversely, Any unfavorable news could exacerbate recent drops. Therefore, while Oklo is positioned well with its innovative technology and market potential, the coming weeks will be crucial in determining its trajectory. As investors keep a close watch, the volatility may continue, influenced by both external market conditions and internal developments. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, the 27th of July, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Oklo an outperform grade and took an upgrade action. On Sunday, the 20th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup rated Oklo with a buy grade and decided on a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave Oklo an overweight grade and initiated initialize action. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Oklo a hold grade and also took an initialize action. On Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned Oklo a hold grade and implemented a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Oklo stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The Oklo Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support will likely be found at $74.59 and $62.67. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Although prices rose during the last trading day, the trading volume decreased, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 31, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 0.235%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 17 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 50 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. Oklo Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $74.59. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band categorizes it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.75 between its high and low, which is a change of 9.43%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 9.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on August 11, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at negative 12 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $76.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $74.59. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by DeWitt Jacob, who bought and sold 410,464 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 19.006. In total, insiders acquired 73,711,220 shares and sold 34,987,339 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $73.90, reflecting a decrease of 3.28%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot high identified 2 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Oklo Inc. stock to perform well in the short term. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock, from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we expect Oklo to open lower by 96 cents, starting at $75.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.